Hi everyone, welcome to Morgan and Mallet. Today we've got a super exciting opportunity for all you professionals out there. A client in Erbil is seeking an experienced head chef to lead the launch and daily operations of a delivery-focused Italian street food cloud kitchen in Erbil. This is a hands-on leadership role for a chef with strong operational expertise, deep knowledge of Italian street food, and proven experience in high-volume or cloud kitchen environments. If you found this opportunity exciting and want to stay updated on more like this, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Don't forget to follow us on our social media channels for behind-the-scenes content, exclusive job posts, and more. The links are down below, so go check them out. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.